This is how a proper raft foundation is built, step by step. 1. Setting out. We begin with setting out the raft beams on the ground. Every grid line, every beam path, and every column point is accurately transferred to the site. 2. Excavation. Next is excavation along the raft beam lines to the required depth. The goal is to create continuous trenches where the structural beams will sit. 3. First layer of protection, DPM. After excavation, a heavy-duty damp-proof membrane is laid directly on the exposed soil. This prevents upward moisture movement and protects the foundation. 4. Blinding. A layer of plain concrete blinding is poured over the DPM to create a clean, solid, workable surface. 5. Second, setting out on blinding. When the blinding cures, the raft grid is set out again, this time using 2 inches by 12 feet timber to transfer accurate beam lines onto the concrete surface. 6. Reinforcement placement, beams and starter columns. Steel fixing begins. Reinforcement bars are placed along the marked beam paths, forming the bottom mesh for the raft. The raft beam cages are assembled, and starter bars for the columns are installed to exact heights. 7. Formwork for raft beams. Carpenters install the formwork around the beam cages, building the mold that will shape the concrete. 8. Casting the raft beams. With reinforcement and formwork complete, concrete is poured, fully forming the raft beams. 9. Striking formwork. Once the concrete has gained strength, the formwork is struck and removed. 10. Bitumen protection. All exposed raft beam surfaces are then coated with bituminous paint to serve as a waterproofing layer against soil moisture. 11. Backfilling and compaction. The hollow areas, also called raft panels, are backfilled with selected soil and mechanically compacted in layers. 12. MEP installations. Next comes MEP works. Electrical conduits, plumbing lines, and other service pipes are placed across the compacted surface. 13. Second layer of DPM. Another DPM sheet is placed over the compacted layers to block moisture from entering the slab. 14. Blinding of raft panels. A second round of blinding concrete is poured over the DPM, creating the final working platform for the raft slab. 15. Reinforcement for raft slab plus. Staircase starters. The raft slab reinforcement mesh is fixed, including starter bars for the staircase. 16. Earthing system installation. A bare copper cable is connected to the slab reinforcement to form the building's earthing grounding system. 17. Final casting. Raft slab. Finally, the entire raft slab is poured in one continuous operation to complete the foundation system. This is the heartbeat of a solid structure. A raft foundation done right ensures stability, durability, and peace of mind from the ground up. Engineering is interesting.